So now here's a dumb question. How prepared are you when you accept a job? What I'm trying to say is when you take on the job, how prepared are you? Are you prepared for the actual job to make sure that everything is 100% with no leaks? Not shiny down there. Remember, your master gotta have fluid when you put it in, so you're gonna mess. This is a messy ordeal when you do this. This is not gonna be you can't fit this dry. Understand? See, if I bleed the system, I have a lappy there. So this stays dry. Wipe everything down. If you have a toppy for this, put it back. They've already spoiled that. I can't help for that. As long as the seals, I'm good. Clutch pedals in. I've got clutch at 100%. Also, oh sorry, forgot. Darkness. Clutch is now so soft that I can use a finger to engage it. Hydraulic, 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 hydraulic. Clutch is released. That's the end of the pedal. That's the hydraulic start. That's the end of the pedal. You understand? And this is hydraulic pressure. Yeah, I druk 'n bietjie hard. You're not used to pressing this with your hand, man. This is something you press with your left foot. But ons is daar so. En as 'n pedal gaat nie sideways nie, hy's solid. Hy's daar so. Top side of that is welded down there. Up here. At the back side of this. On the opposite side. At the back of that as well. At the inside of this, you can see there's the heat marks from the welding. There's the heat spots from the welding in the corner. Ja. En ja, my naam is daar. Ek is baie proud van die kak wat ek doen, né? Almal daai kak wat die mense so praat van my, ek is baie proud van my kak. Ek sit my naam op dit. Ek is 'n actual workshop, nie 'n scrapyard nie, né? An actual mechanical investigation shop. So I tell you who fucked up before me. That's what I specialize in.